Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Malibu true 138 Super Sport car, guys. And I mean a heck of a car. It is about a 6-year-old frame-off restoration, and I'll tell you what, guys, this is one of those cars you got to get in and drive to appreciate it. They built it to drive it, and when you get in and roll it down the road, you know it. I mean, this thing doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle, just hits the road great. Again, real 138 Super Sport car. This is the factory color combination, butternut yellow with the black interior and black vinyl top. The seats, I think they've actually done in a leather. That's not a factory material. They've upgraded the drivetrain, some of the suspension stuff, and very nicely done. Got about 12,000 miles, almost 13,000 miles on the restoration. So they drove it. They didn't just park it in the park it in the garage and throw a cover on it. Good car, and loaded with options. Chrome and stainless is nice. Paint is slick. It's got the optional bumperettes, again, loaded with options. Power windows. It's got aftermarket AC, tinted glass, 2-speed rear defog, dual chrome mirrors, vinyl tops in great shape. I mean, this is a nice car. I like this 65 body, so look how nice all this trim and stainless is. 2-speed rear defog. What a pretty car. Something sitting on there. I mean, I really didn't even see much you could really pick at in the paint. Paint's really nice. Looks like it's got all the original quarters still on it. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got 18-inch American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels. Car sits good, really goes down the road nice. Very impressive running it down the road. Full wheel disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. Is a pretty car right there. Aftermarket, it's a crate engine, 350 cubic inch engine, aluminum heads. You can see it's got the Demon dual feed 4-barrel, polished Edelbrock Air Gap intake, nice little cam to it. They've put all the serpentine belt system on it. Be Cool aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Hedman ceramic headers. It's got MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Air blows ice cold. I drove this car a few miles this morning. I'll tell you what, man, it is a pleasure to get in and cruise. Very nicely done. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of that website. We get a lot of people with car requests. We can't keep up with them, guys. We just get too many. Best thing you can do is subscribe to our website and register your email on our website now. Get an update every time we post a car. And well, A-pillar chrome is really nice too. Again, dual chrome mirrors. You can also register for that YouTube page, which is really nice. Again, if you see something you're not sure, we always tell guys, pick up the phone and call, guys. A lot of scams going on right now. Make sure you don't get scammed. You're looking at a Southern Motors car, pick up the phone and call. All the power windows work. Factory bucket seats, center console, tilt column. It's got the sports steering wheel. Again, if you look at this, is a leather. This is not your typical vinyl. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks great. Dash is all real nice. 12,739. That's your mileage on your resto. Factory tach and gauges, all that stuff was working. The factory radio works. And then also, that's a clock. It's got the factory dash mounted clock. Also has the padded dash option. They put the aftermarket speakers in the kick panels. In the glove box, factory vacuum trunk release, and it works. 700 R4 automatic trans. It's got 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear axle, rear sway bar, Billstein rear shocks. It also has aftermarket control arms. Factory jack, aftermarket spare in here. It's all spackle coated. Again, it looks like the car's got all the original panels still on it. Very nice underneath. Door seams look good. Seats are nice. Look at that. I don't know if I've ever seen that. Gauges look clean. They put the overdrive selector in the center console. Nice little cam to it. Oh, it's good, man. Again, air blows ice cold. Plenty of power. Yeah, that's a fun car right there. Good sound, power windows work. Tach works. Again, all your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Down below, the little chrome knob, that's actually a 2-speed rear defog. It works. Backup lights work. That is a killer car. Again, that's actually factory AM that they've done a conversion to, so great sound, blower motor works, like I say, air blows cold. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to that YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.